Blackboard is going to be your primary way of interacting with this course. And I know many of you are already familiar with Blackboard. I just want to do a quick go over about how we're going to use it. I'll just stop from the top and go on down. Okay, so content obviously is where most of our material will be. Don't really use the calendar. We do use announcements a lot. So if I have something I want to push out, it's going to be both announcement and an email. Sometimes you need to come back here because sometimes if I attach a file or a link, it gets stripped out. Discussion, that's where the only one we have is the Course Cafe, which you can also access from the content. And that is where you can ask questions, share information, post something anonymously, any kind of question, homework, what's on the test, use snipping tools to post a picture of the textbook and ask questions. Great way of doing it. Obviously, the gradebook is where you'll see your grades. Messages if you want to send it. Okay, so let's go to content now. Participation, make sure you fill this out. This is separate from the course. They want you to do this. Course Cafe, again, that's the discussion posts. Make sure to follow. Okay, so if there's activity such as a new posting, me replying to something, you'll be able to be notified. So make sure you got that. Getting started, we'll have the information similar to what I just sent out. My email again here, and then your first assignment was there. Syllabus schedule is probably the most important one. If the schedule is to change, I will send a notification. So you can click on here. You can see the schedule on here. And the way I break it up is we've got our dates here. And these are the class numbers. And this is the topic. So you're expected to complete preparation to be able to participate in these particular sections. Okay. Homework will be assigned for one per chapter. So homework 2 will be due end of day on the 26th. Okay. There will be no homework for chapter 1. So chapter 2 homework, which is homework 1, will be due on the 26th end of day. And the same rhythm you'll see throughout the course. So homework 3 will be due on Monday, February the 2nd, end of day. Here are the test dates over here, and then the final exam. The other things you'll see here, student resources, links to that here, course policies, and my bio is here. So again, probably the most important one is the syllabus and schedule. Attendance, these will be given and will be available to you about 10 minutes before class starts and up through to the end of class. Most of them will just ask you for a code. So it'll be just the code of the day. You put it in, you get 100% credit. Okay, and I'll make sure there's a couple of attempts in there because some people transpose numbers, or I can even write the wrong answer up there. Each module is listed here. It also gives the chapters that they're over. They'll look very similar. Okay, so you'll have a daily homework folder. You'll have a video folder, pre-test questions, resources, lecture notes, and slides. So click on daily homework, for instance, and you'll see the examples are here. And then here's your first assignment. And in this one, all you're doing is you're taking engineering computation paper, you're going to write your name on the top, this class, and what the assignment is, and upload it. Okay, so that's all you have to do for credit for the full thing. Pretest problems will be posted later, and these need to be completed prior to the test, and a random one will be selected. And here's the link to the videos. Sometimes, usually I have just a playlist. This one has all the individual links to all the videos there, so you'll see those here. And then again, it's the same for all the other ones, all the way through to chapter 10. Okay, and that's the Blackboard layout.